Okay, let's do a really straightforward Execute SQL task. Just drop that into the control flow. Before we set it up, let me just show you some T-SQL to create a table and put some rows in it. First line just drops the table if it already exists, and then we create a table and insert 3 rows into it, and then display what's in the table. So if we just run that, execute that, there's the 3 rows. Okay, just put that to one side, and we'll set up our Execute SQL task. Click on that. Not very much needed to be done here. We can stick with the OLA DB connection type, provided we've got a connection manager suitable for it, which we have. And then source type direct input, so we just feed into this field here. I've got some T-SQL code ready. I'll just copy that in. About as straightforward as you can get. That's all it does. One line to truncate a table called that. Okay, so okay to that, and we're done. So let's just prove to ourselves there's some rows in there before we run it. Yes, they haven't gone away, they're still there. So we run the Execute SQL task. Complete successfully. We can stop the debugging and bring back our Management Studio to look at the table. So we run that, and sure enough the rows have gone. Job done. Okay. So that's what happens when everything runs fine. There's no problems. Let's see what might happen if things go wrong. Let's drop the table. Make sure it's absolutely gone. Yeah, we're going to get errors if we try to do anything with that table because it doesn't exist anymore. Just push this out of the way. What happens when we run Execute SQL Task now? Running it, it fails, and the output includes the error, cannot find the object sum table because it does not exist or you do not have permissions. So that's great. The table's not there, Execute SQL Task isn't going to work, but it does give us a nice clear error. Job's a good one. It's really important to think about errors, thinking about when things go wrong, that it's detected, that it's logged clearly, really helpful to operations staff. Okay, that's truncating a table with Execute SQL Task.